Some big news coming in. Farmers' agitation has caused loss of 27,000 crores in Delhi and adjoining states. According to Confederation of All India Traders Association, the body says agitation, which has been going on for over a month, has now had considerable impact there on supplies from Punjab and Haryana to Delhi. Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more details. Aishwarya, take us through the losses of 27,000 crores in Delhi and adjoining states, according to this Confederation of All India Traders Association, who say that this is massive losses owing to the protest that's been on for over a month. Even supply shortage could also be expected.
Well, that is what CAIT, which is the body which is now talking about the kind of losses which have happened in Delhi and in adjoining areas. Now, they say almost every day 50,000 trucks used to pass and through Delhi, and also a lot of them used to bring supplies. Now, one of the reasons which CAIT has given is that Delhi does not produce a lot, which is why they need to procure things from states like Haryana and Punjab. Now, that supply has been very badly hit. They're also saying traders who used to trade in fruits and vegetables, they too have been very badly hit. Now, CAIT is of the opinion that the logjam needs to end. Right now too, I'm standing at the Ghazipur border. The protest has been going on for more than a month now. We have seen how FICCI, ASSOCHAM, CII, all the bodies have written to Punjab's Chief Minister. They have also written to the central government asking for this logjam to end as soon as possible. All of them believe massive economic losses are happening because the way in which the borders of the national capital are now being surrounded by farmers. Back to you.
Thank you very much for joining us.